Hi, honey. You are so funny. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Sorry, you are expired. Do you love me? Will you marry me? What is this? You don't know anything except this word. Stupid cat. Wedding cancelled. You! Daddy, are you pregnant?
No, why?
Why is tummy so big?
It's fat.
Fat? My foot. This is not fat. I know there is a baby inside.